Hobo. A person who travels from place to place, often looking for work. The hobo traveled across the country looking for jobs. People often told stories about the old hobo. Nadir. The lowest point of a situation. Losing his job was the nadir of his year. The company reached its nadir before recovering. Oasis. A peaceful, pleasant, or refreshing place in a difficult or busy area. The travelers found an oasis in the desert and stopped to rest. The park was an oasis of calm in the busy city. Hedonism. The belief that enjoying life and seeking pleasure is the most important thing. He lived a life of hedonism and always looked for fun and pleasure. Some people criticize hedonism because they think there is more to life than pleasure. Fribble. A silly person who spends too much time on unimportant things. People thought he was a fribble because he cared only about fashion. Don't be a fribble, focus on what really matters. Mordacious. Very sharp or harsh in the way someone speaks. She made a mordacious comment about the situation. His mordacious jokes upset some people. Despicable. Very bad and making people strongly dislike it. Everyone thought his behavior was despicable. It was a despicable thing to do. Rapturous. Showing great happiness and excitement. The audience gave a rapturous welcome. She was rapturous after hearing the good news. Acephalous. Without a leader or person in charge. The group became acephalous after the leader left. The organization remained acephalous for several months. Excoriate. To criticize someone very harshly. The coach excoriated the team's poor performance. Critics excoriated the decision and called it a mistake. Sciolism. Knowing only a little about something and thinking you know a lot. His sciolism became obvious during the discussion. Sciolism can lead people to make wrong conclusions. Pinnacle. The highest level of success or achievement. Winning the award was the pinnacle of her career. He reached the pinnacle of success after many years of hard work. Cascade. A small waterfall or a series of things happening one after another. Water flowed down the cascade. A cascade of events happened after the announcement. Torrent. A large amount of something that comes very quickly. A torrent of rain flooded the streets. She received a torrent of messages after sharing the news. Obfuscation. Making something confusing or hard to understand. The explanation was full of obfuscation. His obfuscation made the issue harder to understand. Foment. To make people feel strong emotions like anger or to start trouble. The speech helped foment anger among the crowd. They were accused of fomenting conflict between the groups. Formidable. Very strong, powerful, or difficult to deal with. She faced a formidable opponent. The task seemed formidable. Impecunious. Having very little money or being poor. He was an impecunious student who could not afford many things. The impecunious traveler could not afford a hotel. Orchard. A place where fruit trees are grown. They walked through the apple orchard. The orchard produced many oranges. Vineyard. A place where grapes are grown. The vineyard stretched across the hills. They visited a vineyard during their trip. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.